Hey guys, what is going on? And you're watching Expert Guy here. Today I'm back in a special video for y'all, and today's video is on how I edit my videos, how Expert Guy edit his YouTube videos with the help of your PC computer, because my videos are kind of high level, the editing skills and everything stuff like that. So basically I'm gonna demonstrate you guys some of my clips, how I edit them, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my thumbnails and every single thing, because a lot of YouTubers has already done it, but some of my true experts were asking me to show them how I edit my videos, which is the best software to use to editing. And guys, listen to me, before starting the video, every time I say this, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button and become a part of Team Expert. Subscribe already if you haven't. Man, oh man, we have reached 4,450 subscribers, 50 more subscribers, and we are halfway there till 5,000, which is like a big amount on YouTube. It's like not easy to achieve that goal. And 1,050,000 views, if we already have reached it, and it's been like only 10 days since I hit 1 million views. So thanks to all of the Team expert community out there. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. And let's get straight into today's video, guys. So basically, the softwares which I'm gonna tell you guys, they are difficult to use as well, and you have to learn them as well before using them, before getting used to them, because it took me like 3 to 4 months to complete the course of these two softwares, because they were kind of hard for me. The first one, not the second one, which is like Photoshop, is really easy to use, but the Sony Vegas, if you need to do the pro editing skills and stuff like that, then you need to at least learn it. And because I was lazy enough and I slacked off a little bit, like I because of my laziness, I couldn't able to complete that course like in just a couple of days. It took me like months and weeks to learn those things like pro editing skills. I'm not talking about basics, I'm talking about some real shit out there, man. So basically, firstly, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit on Sony Vegas, how I edit my videos and stuff like that. Then we are gonna head over to Photoshop, how I make my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. So both of these things are gonna be discussed in the video. So if you guys need to a lot of people ask me which is the best software to edit and best software to make thumbnails. Best software for editing, 100% Sony Vegas Pro. Other software which is best for thumbnails is Photoshop CS6, which I use right now. Basically, if you learn these two softwares, then you can do anything, any animation, any rendering, any video editing, and anything. But it takes time to learn these things. It's not easy. Now I'm gonna open the software. A lot of people are gonna get confused. Oh my god, what the heck is this? There are so many things we don't know about, like the basic tools as well, the basic icons as well, and every single thing. So I will be demonstrating you guys some of it, some of the basics, because I can't tell you guys like the whole stuff in one video. It's gonna be so long, an hour video, and I don't want to make you guys bored. So obviously we're gonna discuss some things here. So firstly, I open my Sony Vegas. Now you need to do nothing here once you have opened it. Now once you're here, there are some things you need to ignore and some things you need to focus on. Firstly, set this thing to best and full if your PC is good enough, because my PC is really good, so I have set it to full. But if it's not that good, then you guys can set it to good or preview, because this thing helps to review and preview the video. You guys can watch your whole clip which you have edited here. So this is the best part. Now another thing, you need to go open your files, everything. These are all videos of mine. I wrote the names and the previous videos, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the videos. Like I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my videos. So basically, I'm just gonna take the part of this video. Okay, now if I need to add my intro or voiceover, because I record my voice through Audacity, which is like another software which makes your voice even better, like a professional studio mic. I have my Blue Snowball equipment, like I have wrote them. My equipments are in the description down below. If you guys want to check out, you guys can do that. Now basically, I'm gonna take this clip over as well. Now this is kind of long and this one is short, so if you want to make them both equal, if you want to increase the size of this clip, you guys can just drag it and pull it over here. Or if you want to do this, then you guys can just drag this to here. Boom. Now these are some first basic steps. In here, everything you recorded, you need to put that here, and the down one there, the voice. Or if you have recorded the video with your voice, like both of them are recorded at the same time, then you don't need this tab. There's gonna be like a second tab there. So basically, what you need to do after, you need to if you want to add effects, because that is the one thing which everyone asks. Now I can't explain you guys the effects because that's gonna be like too long on the video, but I will be showing you guys some basic effects. So if you want to blur your video, you need to go on Gaussian blur here. So you need to medium blur and put that here, drag it like that, and here you go, your video is blurred. And you guys can do it for a one clip as well. Now if you want to split your clip in this software, you guys can do this, and boom, there you go, your video is split. And if you want to do some kind of crop editing, you want to increase the file size, decrease it like that. If you want to add a webcam, then it's like this. You guys can do your webcam here, put it like this, add your clip here, and this is how it works. Now these are the things. And if you want to add music in your video, like audio music, you need to insert audio track, then put the music here you guys want and adjust the size, drag them to the same things, and boom, there you go. That's how this software works. So this is the software which I use to edit my videos, and this is kind of a way how I edit my videos. Now another software which is Photoshop CS6. It looks also different and it looks also hard, but the thing is it's not actually that hard. You guys need to learn all these basic tools, remember their names, learn them by heart, because these are gonna be like kind of you're gonna need to use some of these tools which are really important. Now you need to do is new tab, and then you need to set the width to 1280 and height to 720, resolution 92, and all this can be left default. Now click on OK. There you go, you got your page. Now if you want to edit a file here, you guys can go and choose any of the screenshot. I'm gonna take like one, let's take for example this as well, and I'm gonna take this as well, and yeah. So basically you got your three screenshots or the pictures. Now you need to CTRL A and CTRL C on the picture and then paste it here. Now CTRL T to like decrease the size and adjust it like here, obviously. Then choose again another file, CTRL A, CTRL C, CTRL V to paste. You guys can do that. Now if you want to remove the background, the white background, you need to choose this tool, which is the magic wand tool. You need to click here, boom, there you go, and click on the thing which is white, and then just backspace it, delete that thing, and there you go. Now if you want to add some effects, obviously you guys can choose this thing, brightness, contrast, levels, curves, everything is here. If you want to make your video a little bit darker, you guys can do that, brighter, you guys can do that. So obviously all this good stuff is here. And now if you want to save your video, you guys can click here, save, and you need to click on PNG. This is how you save, and then click on save, and yeah, it's gonna save your video. So that's gonna be it, guys. That's how I edit my videos. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, my basic videos, my basic tutorials, like my basic stuff which I use to make my videos, my equipment thingy reviews and stuff like that. Then leave a comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel, and I'm ExpertGuy, and I'm signing out, guys. Peace.